How to refund on Shein. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can refund on the Shein app, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you purchase a product and now you're not satisfied from the Shein app, you want to refund and then you want a refund for your money. Well, let me tell you that the process of refund also actually differs based on various stages, because sometimes what happens is that you might have already used a product for a couple of periods of time which is also past the refund policy from Shein. If that is the case, you will not be able to refund it. But if it's just been a second or two, maybe a day or two since you purchased a product and you're not happy with it, you can still try to refund it. To do this, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all just launch the Shein application on your device, and then make sure that you're signed into the account as well. And what you want to do is to view all of your orders. You want to just come to the U option from the bottom right hand side of the screen, which is the Me option here. As you come here, you'll be able to find the option known as My Orders. Just go to the View All option, as you can see here. When you go to the View All Orders, here you'll be able to see all the orders that you've made, and then you can just select that specific order, choose the option to cancel or refund that specific order, and after you cancel it, it will move back to the processing tab or so on. If this doesn't work, the only thing I can recommend you do is to simply contact the customer support team. They might hopefully be able to help you with any type of issues that you might have with the product and the seller. Hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any questions, feel free to comment down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.